a China research lab based on a cloud platform. The rack also includes IBM system storage as shown in the figure here. And the storage has got the following architecture: dual active RAID controller, host interface, direct attached storage, that is called DAS or SAN solution. Start with DAS configuration and seamlessly transition to a FC SAN when ready. Easy to deploy and manage with DS3000 storage manager. 5.4 terabyte of storage capacity with 12 450 GB at swappable 15K drives. And the network components are the Blade Center H input output, redundant 4G FC networking. The cloud computing architecture management server here. The operating system is Windows 2003 R2 Enterprise Edition, including MS Active Directory. The database server is MS SQL Server Enterprise Edition, MS SQL Server Express Embedded VM where Virtual Center, now vCenter Server. The platform management tools IBM Systems Direct 6.11. So mostly the IBM products are used here in this particular thing. You can also look at the figure, the table is given, and you just look at the architecture and figure, it is very easily you can follow that. The built-in virtualization: understand virtual and physical resource usage, dynamically manage virtual workloads to optimize resource usage, optimally migrate virtual machines across systems to maintain service levels. The forces driving cloud computing are shown in the figure. The business benefits of Blue Cloud. This is called Blue Cloud. That is why mostly the figures are in blue color. The cost efficient model for creating and acquiring information services. Next, reduces IT management complexity. It increases business responsiveness with real-time capacity reallocation as demand for compute power grows, powers both existing and emerging data-intensive workloads. The Service Management Center for Cloud Computing. It has got a provision a new server with OS and applications, modify a provisional server, start and stop a server, change memory and CPUs, add and remove node to cluster. So these are all possible. The cloud scenarios: create virtual servers within a new project, deploy new virtual server in an existing project, install software stack, OS and applications, destroy a virtual server, increase and decrease CPU of a virtual server, increase and decrease RAM of a virtual server, cancel a project and destroy all associated server. Create a virtual server in a new project. You can look at the figure. You can modify a server. You can add a server to the existing project. These all the things are possible with this. The sample configuration is also given for a look. Managing the IT landscape for a service. Management can be done on a service instance that was built using the service definition or request. The technical management actions: start and stop is possible, resizing is possible, incident handling is possible. Adaptable framework: customer can include existing management, customer can adapt to a new processing management. And a menu driven display is given in the figure for understanding. You can have a look at, and with this is a very user friendly cloud computing concept established in a China research lab, and just I am giving as a example for the talk. And with this shortcut for less complex and controlled, pre-approval installation is possible, fixed cardinality of cluster members target OS, fixed server layout is possible, fixed monitoring setup is possible, non-editable TPAAP job plans are possible, and scenario advertise effects and the flow is given here. You can have a look at the life cycle of a cloud service is also given in the figure, and hope you enjoy this seeming to be complex talk, but if you actually work on it, it will be very easy to follow in the form of autonomous learning. Thank you.